but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
What's good, OGs? Happy weekend. What's going on? Otter gang, 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 gang. We got the volume. Pump up the volume. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Weekend volume, baby. Coming into VWAP. Coming into VWAP right now. Are we gonna get long? Oh man, we gotta look. I like this. I like this, baby. What's going on, everybody? The weekend. It's moving on the weekend. Look at this. Look at this. We gonna get long here? Oof. Ooh wee. We got divs, maybe. We got divs, maybe. Are we gonna get long? What do you think? Shed it to you guys. Shed it to the Otter gang, gang, gang. What's going on? Bouncing off VWAP here. Let's see if we get a reaction down at this price action. Looking to possibly trade this. Oh man, too good. Too good. What's up? Say good morning, man. It's noon. Say good afternoon. Bounce off VWAP coming in here. Solana all-time highs. Trump coin absolutely decimating people's portfolios. We'll see how it goes. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the gang, gang, gang. Let's go, man. It's the weekend. My wife and son are having a nap, so I figured, you know what? I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna hang out with these absolute degenerate weekend traders. Hanging out with you guys. Bitcoin rolling over here. Downtrend coming for these lows in here. Blasting through VWAP. Can we look for a VWAP retest? And Geronimo. Down, 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 down. Look at this thing. Can VWAP hold here? We're at a key support level as well. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smashing up those like buttons. It is the weekend. Good morning, World Defined. We streaming today. Yeah, man. Captain Crypto, what's going on? Chris Klein. Oh, yeah. Albino Rhino. Hello, hello. G Corp in the house. What's going on, bro? Giannis Gravis. What's going on? Luke Bailey. TRD Farmer. Actually, I was able to make a live stream. Let's go, man. I want to get long here, but I want confluence. I need to see that confluence. You know what I mean, man? Okay. Going up here, we've chopped up on the 15. Chop, 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 chop. Trump coin pumping. We are rolling over right now. Okay, so we have broken structure to the downside. However, there is volume. Baby, there's volume. So, can we trade it? Absolutely, we can trade some volume. We got 3 strikes up here. So, 3 strikes, you're out, right? 3 strikes, you're out. Breaking down. Coming down in here, can we roll over back down into our key level that we're looking to buy? Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out in the live. No trade as of yet. I've taken some scalps. I even scalped Trump coin this morning. I took a long right here all the way up. I mean, oh my God. Oh my God. All right. These, we'll see how we react on VWAP here. We did dip our toes. If we do reclaim VWAP, we could be possibly looking for a long here, reclaiming back up into this area in here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And we can get going, baby. We can get going. Maybe we put it in the head and shoulders. Bop, 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 bop. And then we go down further, but doesn't mean we can't grab it here. Or we can short it. Depends on what you guys are feeling today. All I know is I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I feel like there's more money to be made today. So let's see if we can find some stuff, man. Good morning, everybody. Mo 2, Rashad, Trade Intuition, no notification, but he's here. Welcome. Good to see you, bro. Lucky Deal, Jay Walker, Al Jr. What the F you doing, man? On the gang. I can't help it, man. I love trading. I love trading. That's what it's all about. Darren Does Things Lurking. Mark Dutch here. Master Editor, what's going on? BBL, BSM, Michael. Tim, what's going on? Hopefully you're doing well. Chris Klein, forget about it. Albino, Rhino, Michael, Shepard, Payne, Mark Dutch, Doltex, gang. I see all those wins, man. I see all those wins in the winner's wall. Seymour Liddy, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. All these absolute legends in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with me. It is the weekend. However, there is volume. When there's volume, we can make money. That's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We'll see if we get a pushback in here. No trade as of yet. Solana, all-time highs. Absolutely incredible. Big push up because Trump, Trump's on Solana. Jupiter, another one. A Jupiter, girls go to heaven, or boys go to Mars because they like chocolate bars, and boys go to Jupiter to get more stupider. Hoo-wee. Double top in here on Jupiter, bearish divergence, probably going to break down. Okay. Bitcoin rolling over, wrecking all the bulls. Wrecking over bulls. So aggressive move through VWAP, possible short opportunity here now. Okay. When you get an aggressive move through VWAP, unless we can come up and reclaim, you're typically looking for a short. Okay. Typically, we're not gonna just overtrade today. We are gonna look for the goodies, Okay, we are gonna look for the goodies. How's everybody's weekend going so far? I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend, touching some grass, not overtrading, hanging out with us. Trump coin. You guys are all excited for the orange man coin. Did you guys get into? Let me know. Did you guys get into that coin? I mean, some people got in early, sitting nice, man, sitting nice. Holy smokes. You guys are incredible. Thank you all for being here, hanging out with me. So all you guys are, go touch some grass, you degens. Coming back into VWAP right here, so we'll see how this reacts. Going on 3-minute time frame. Oof. Nice pushback here. A nice sweep like this one here. Coming back to retest VWAP. Okay, this is typically a short opportunity in here. We do have some key levels below us here, so we have risen up. If we're looking at a short, higher term time frames, right? We're just taking a little gander here because, you got to take a gander. Ned Flanders. All right, so we do have some key levels below us here. Double toppy coming in here. A lower low. Okay, nice push down after that massive push into that 105 area. Oof, almost $106,000 Bitcoin. My God. Pretty incredible. Going into the Trump inauguration, baby. Look at this up only. Perfect little momentum trend line here coming in. Tapping that. So we'll see how it behaves here. If we do lose this trend line, I mean, we're probably coming back down into somewhere in here, I would guess. If we lose this, bomb, we could come back into here and then we could go. Oh my God, we're rolling over. We should have taken the short off the VWAP retest. We didn't take the short off the VWAP retest. Okay, that's okay. We wait. Should have taken the short off the VWAP retest. Degenerates looking to trade this thing back down. We'll see if we get it. Okay, no trade as of yet. Thank you everybody for being here, hanging out with me. If you are new here, we don't normally stream on the weekends. We stream Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Live trading Bitcoin every single day, keeping the doctor away. Snagged a bag of Trump. Let's go, Anthony. Let's go, buddy. That's awesome. Hopefully you don't get rugged. My prayers are with you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. You guys are incredible. Oh, my God. Look at all these people in here. I can't handle it. It's too much on a weekend, man. Good to see you guys. How's your weekend going? Let me know. You guys are all about that Trump coin. Forget about it. Fine. Good morning to you. Good to see you, Master Editor. Do you think XRP will go up since Monday? So we were looking at an XRP long yesterday, and, you know, we did get out of this. So it came in here, I believe. It pumped up, and then it rolled over. So you got triple bottom in here, bullish divergence, trying to push back. So you could possibly push up here. You could. Trump coin dumping on people right now as we speak. I got an alarm set for Trump coin. Maybe I should lower my standards. Bitcoin dumping, baby, dumping. Coming for some liquidity in these lows here, probably. All right. Nice liquidity up in here. Losing that support level. Want to see some strength coming in here right now. Not looking too good. Solana rolling over, crushing everybody's dreams this weekend. Ooh, and everything else bleeding. Look at this. Red. Even virtual down 14%. I'll show you where I sold my virtual. Okay, I bought virtual down at 240. You can't write it, bro. I bought virtual on the way down here. Average price around here. Look where I sold. Sometimes you get lucky, man. I tell you. Sometimes you get lucky. I got the receipt. If you want the receipt, I'll show you the receipt. I don't mind. I'll show you the receipt. No problem. Some of us get lucky, okay? Sometimes you gotta just count your blessings. I said this looks toppy and I sold for like a 50% gain. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Everything's bleeding right now. Okay, so the Trump pump looks to be failing so far. We'll see. Not looking good. Maybe this was bad for the crypto world here. We got a trigger wave in here, so that's quite nasty, pushing us down. Oof. Is anybody short? Would love to know. What do you guys think? This thing is coming for the slow right now. Mitigation of the slow. Continuation. So big roll over here. This is why you always use a stop loss, my friends, if you are getting long on this thing. Okay? Always using a stop loss. It's very key. It's very important to make sure that you guys are... Do other people like live stream? Okay, we got some live streamers. We got Crypto Lifers live streaming. Okay. Who else is live streaming? Crypto News. Some people... How do these people do it, man? Crypto Lifer killing it. He's just out here crushing people. Open mouth thumbnails. Open mouth thumbnails all around. Everybody in the Bitcoin world here. Open mouth thumbnails. Oh, close enough. Smiles are good. I like smiles, but I'm not a big fan of open mouth thumbnails, guys. I just being honest, man. Crypto's too many open. Look at this. Joe Perry's is a professional open mouth thumbnailer. We know that. My God. You guys are dedicated to the craft. Dedicated to the thumbnails. Looks like we're getting a little bit of bottoming structure in here, coming down into our support level. Trying to mitigate these lows, roll over here. Possible long opportunity coming in. If we sweep and pop, baby. Got to see the sweep and pop. Sweep and pop, baby. Looking for this, maybe. Sweep and pop back up to VWAP. Sweep and pop back up to VWAP. Trend line holding here. We'll see how it sweeps and pops, baby. We got a key level down in here. So sweep and pop down at 102.950. 103. Sweep and pop at 103. Looking for a sweep and pop down in here. Possibly a long opportunity, okay? Looking for this. I'm going to go half a position size. Just looking for a sweep and pop, okay? We'll see if we get it. The trade is waiting. The trade is waiting right down in here. Sweep and pop. Come on. Come on, baby. Come down to Papa. Papa Otter. Sweep and pop. I love a sweep and pop. Don't you guys like sweep and pops? You guys ever trade a sweep and pop? You got to be tight stop loss, though. Tight stop loss. No sweep. Come on, Bitcoin. Sweep and pop, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Just doing some trading on the live. Might as well hang out with you guys while we do it. Should have sold an hour ago. Yeah, of course. That's what they always say. Are you kidding me? I missed all the fun in here. R.S. Miller, my man. God bless you, bro. Now I got to take off my trade. Look at the chat because R.S. Miller just blessed you all with a beautiful amount of meme coins. Just BTC scam. Snag BTC Trump. Yeah, let's go. Just sold Solana near all-time high. Great job, R.S. Miller. Let's see some border collies in the chat for all these lurkers in here. We're gonna call out the lurkers as we always do. Shout out to the lurkers. Alessia is not a lurker, but Kalavinka, you a lurker, man. Nick Britton, you're a Nicky lurker. Quantum Traveler, I think I've seen you, but I'm still gonna call you a lurker. Luke Maddox, definitely a lurker. Lucas is a lurker. Sean Wayawatsky, I like the last name, bro. That's pretty sick. Lurker. Goyans, lurker. Beja, lurker. I think I've seen Payne before. Almighty Zeus is not a lurker. So I like when people who aren't lurkers get memberships. Thank you for being here. Love the lurkers, though, man. What's going on, Master? Good to see you. Eric, good to see you as well. We didn't get the sweep and pop, man, but we're getting the pop. Look at this thing, pop. So now, if we don't get the pop, and it's popping here, okay? So it's holding the low. Now we can look for some sort of chop in here, sweep of the low and bounce, bullish divergence, okay? Next option. Just waiting. Now we're waiting. Bullshit here. Pardon my language. It's the weekend. I don't have to mind my language, okay? Northside lurker, Steve Run lurker, Subhand lurker. Look at all these lurkers. Badminton basic, man. You're gonna teach me some badminton? I'm pretty good at badminton, man. Got that serve and the whoosh. What's going on? I'm sorry, Matt Jackson. Who? You are a lurker. CVO Trading. What's up, my man? God bless, bro. Guys, go check out CVO Trading. This guy does like bat signals and shit. It's incredible. I don't know how to do a bat thing, you know. You get like a point and a Fibonacci and it looks like a bat, you know. I can draw the bat signal. I'm pretty good at that, actually. You go, This is the hard part right here. And then you got to, oh, did that cut me off? No, it didn't. You can't cut me off like that. Look at this. Look at this. I got it. All right, we did it. Bat patterns, baby. CVO. Maybe CVO can come on here one day and give us all a tutorial on how to draw a bat. I think it's a shark. I don't know. It's like going to the zoo, man. I love it. I know I'm kind of sarcastic, but it's like if it makes you money, bro. If it makes you money, who gives a shit? You could draw Eskimos and igloos on here, straight Canadian style, maple syrup patterns. As long as you manage your risk and you can make money, you got an edge in the market. Trump's dumping, man. Look at this thing. Alarm going off again. Look at that. Retest the previous highs. Bounce off of here. How about that Ondo call yesterday? I think we absolutely crushed Ondo. Took Ondo for all its money yesterday in the Discord. If you are new, come over and hang in the Discord. I mean, incredible Ondo call yesterday. Alt T8 Ondo smack my Okay, 128, bounce up in here, measured move, hit, target, acquired, yummy, yummy. Good job, everybody. Ondo. I see a bunch of winners walls in here where you guys all crushed Ondo on the Discord. Incredible. Let's go back to our lurkers. I think we got distracted there. CVO Trading, thank you for being here. Danny, what's going on? JM, I don't know if you've said good morning either, Danny or JM. Think Kawik, neither. No, lurker, F-bomb, lurker. Neat, definitely a lurker, man, because I ain't neat. Have you seen my scribbles on this thing? Eugene Skip, lurker. Traces, lurker. Mohammed, lurker. Real big, lurker. Jake Fagan. I think I've seen you before, Jake Fagan. Lurker. I'm going to call you lurker. Abu, lurker. Cameron McDougall. I've seen you before. What's going on, man? And Cam, lurker. Shout out to the lurkers, man. R.S. Miller in the chat, man. God bless you, bro. Thank you for supporting the channel, man. Means a lot. Means a lot. I'm shorting from 1047. Nice, man. 50 bomb. Jupiter short, yeah. Yeah, anything that's overextended. Jupiter is overextended, right? Look at this coming down. Bearish divergence rolling over. Trump, shit in the bed. Solana, shit in the bed. Bitcoin, shit in the bed. Everything else, shit in the bed, right? Buy the rumor, sell the news event. Okay, so anything that's up, you're probably, best off to short it. Bonk, short it. Bonk, okay? Floki, short it. Everything is dying. Oh my God. What are we going to do? Our hodl bags. It's all right. Got to have a long-term outlook, baby. Long-term outlook. We're not here to worry about our hodl bags. We're here to make money. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Did we get enough? What? Did you do it again? Am I way behind here? No, I'm not that far behind. R.S. Miller, thank you so much, man. I appreciate you, bro. All these lurkers in here. Let's go. He did do it again. Did he do it again? Twice? No, okay. R.S. Miller, you're a G, man. Thank you so much for your support, man. I appreciate you. Okay, getting a little bit of bottoming structure. This is more of a flag than a swing failure pattern. Not for me, okay? Gio came back for the kiss cam. We love Gio here, man. I went and watched a hockey game with Gio. Look at all the border collies in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. I graduated from lurking, certified by French Toaster. Let's go. We coming into VWAP. Well, we retested VWAP and we could have shorted that down. We didn't take it. Who the fuck is lurker? Well, just someone who, it's kind of like in the background. It's like, we treat this like an office. Like we all hang out here and we all try to make money together. And, that one guy in the office who's got like a cubicle and he's got nothing in it besides him and his wanking chariot, meaning his chair, right? He's got the the pocket protector. He's got no wife. Kind of creepy. He's got that like I don't know, that vibe, and it's just a guy, you love him because he does a lot of work. He gets shit done, but on the other hand, he's kind of creepy, right? It's kind of creepy. I gotta change my template. Save this again. My 1.3 here. I want it skinnier. Yes. Okay, coming into the VWAP retest right now. Possible short opportunity. Let's see if we take it. Looking for a continuation. We don't want to see it puncture VWAP. We want to see it come back in here. Is volume decreasing right now? Yes, it is. Okay, so volume decreasing, suggesting absorption. Nice push on this candle with low volume. Interesting. This could come back right back down, right like this. Bull div. Here we go. Right, long. Just waiting here. Very overextended to the downside. Trigger wave coming on 12-minute. 15-minute too. Moving up. 24. Money flow crossover to the downside. That's not good. 1 hour suggests trigger wave down. VWAP resetting. Okay, so we're looking for a little bit of a swing failure pattern here. We'll see if we get it. Could take the short off of this, coming back in here. There's no order block or anything up here, though. And this is a very strong candle. I like to push here. If anything, I'm looking for a sweep of the VWAP, so a push through and a rejection. Then we could take the trade. Just coming for this low in here, that would be better. Still VWAP trade, just want to see weakness, okay? Retesting this and then dumping. No trade as of yet. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with me on the live. We got 170 people in here. That's pretty sweet for the weekend, man. Don't you guys have like families and stuff? I do, but my family's sleeping. My son and my wife are down, and then we're going to go out later on today, probably go to a coffee shop, hang out, you know, all that good stuff, you know, family stuff. It's always important. I like the volume in here, but, you know, Trump's dying. Look at the bounce back on Trump. Holy smokes. We should have taken that. Oh, my God. Look at this thing. Back up. 10%. Yeah. Okay. Bouncing back here. Look at Trump. Trump's leading the volatility today. Who would have thought, man? We're going to long Trump here. 7% up off of that. We had the alert, too. We had the alert. Solana trying to push back. Okay, so a couple things pushing back right now, making me less inclined to short it. Okay, less inclined. Nice sweep of the volume. We didn't come for this low, which is kind of impressive. We'll see if we do want to continue to push here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Thank you, RS Miller, for always supporting this channel. I appreciate you. Pushing back into VWAP right now. Good morning, Jeff Carlson. Good to see you. French Toaster, Kate Diggity, TRD Farmer, Michael, Abdessian. Good to see you as well. Otter Gang in the house, man. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel. Come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you. Word up, my peeps. Let's go. Nick Musgrave in the chat. What's going on? BTC went up. BTC dominance went up. BTC dump and BTC dominance still go up. It's a wild world out there. Dominance is dominance is on the rise, which is concerning. We're looking for this rejection. We haven't got it yet. If we do start to make all-time high, if we break this high, we're in trouble. This must hold. Okay, in here. A nice bounce back out of here, but not. I don't like the decreasing volume here. If we can get a push, I do like the 12-minute trigger wave. This is nice. This is nice. Bearish divergence all the way through here. Trying to push back, come into these highs. VWAP coming into VWAP right now. I'd rather see the push into these lows. I'd rather see the push into these lows. Yep. Here we come. Push into the lows. Push into the lows. Looking for a potential short. I'm going to take a stab here. Potential short. Half a position size. Taking a stab here. Dump it, Bitcoin. Dump it. Right through VWAP. Back down. Don't you hold VWAP. Don't you hold VWAP. Dump it. Don't you dare hold VWAP. Come on. That's good. Keep going. Lose VWAP now. Please lose VWAP. Lose VWAP. You gotta lose VWAP, man. No. That's not what we want. We want you to lose VWAP. Lose VWAP. Back down. Back down you go. Come on. Back down you go. Good boy. Good boy. Down. 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 Come on. Dump it. Dump it. All the way down. Continuation. Down. No. That's bad. That's not the way we want to go. We want to go down. We want to go down. Yeah, that's really good. I like that. Keep going. Oh, you're going the wrong way, man. You're going the wrong way. There we go, baby. All right. Keep pushing down. Keep going. I'm just looking for this to come into here. Keep going. You going to hold there? That's not where we want to hold. Wick test into here. Come lower. You can go down. I'm not going to bite you. Mark Dutch might. Mark Dutch might bite you. I'm not ferocious like that. I use sandpaper on my clogs. Come on, lower. You gotta go. You gotta go. What is this? You're going the wrong way. This is a wick test back into the slow, holding the slow. That's not a good sign. I don't like this. Come lower, please. Thank you. Really? Is that how you're going to behave right now? Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with me. This is some BS price action now. Now we can get mad at it with this scammy wick to the downside. After such good work. I've taken a little bit off, so we are in profit, but this is bullshit. Coming back up, holding VWAP now. Didn't get the follow through, man. Big wick back up. Big wick back up. Dang it. Dang it. You can't write it this morning. This is it's not fair. This isn't fair, man. Coming up break even now. Should we close it? What do you guys think? Close the short? Break even? Ugh. I hate break even, man. I'd rather take a loss. I'd rather take a loss. Stop loss up at these highs here. That's some bullish right here. Look at this. We were so good, and then we weren't, right? That's trading, baby. Holding the fort down here, pushing back up. Should have got long, right? Right? Weekend trading, baby. I could have closed that out with a good old $100 win. Now I'm down $20. Whatever. Hanging out with you guys. Now we're getting the real retest of the lows here, but we've come back and reclaimed VWAP. I do not like that. I do not like the reclaim. The reclaim of VWAP shows strength, continuation. Okay. This is probably going to fire up into here at least into this little tiny order block here. Tiny Tim donuts. Anybody like Tiny Tim donuts? Dang it, man. This makes me mad. I could have taken $100 off of here. Now we're going to go to the moon. Now we're going to go to the moon. I'm going to take this off. $30 loss. We had it. We could have just taken the money and ran. Oh, man. Good to see everybody in here. Thank you, everybody, for coming through it. 200 people in here. You guys are incredible. Now you could look for the retest back into VWAP. Okay. Man, I thought we were good. We lost VWAP, retest, continuation down. Very scammy price action this morning. Very scammy price action. Where was the long here? Where was the long? We didn't even mitigate this low. This is weekend trading, baby. Look at Trump trying to push again. Solana trying to push again. Bitcoin chopping, baby, chopping. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live with me. We're down $30 so far. That's some bullsheisenhausen. Oh, man, it's the weekend, baby. Anybody buy up that Trump coin? I bet you Billy's got some Trump coin. Solana to the moon. Kind of silly to short in a bull run, but look at this breakdown, man. Break it down now. Looking for a retest into VWAP. Possible long opportunity. Back down in here. We'll see. Coming for the order block right now, probably. Most likely coming for this order block in here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful weekend. You guys shouldn't be trading, man. You guys should be touching grass, you degens. Oh, man. Weekend vibes. That's the one. Crypto CD. Good to see you as well. Look at the push into the order block here. My golly gee. My golly gee. Oh, my wife's awake. Hi, wife. Is he still sleeping? Let him sleep then. Huh? Oh, yeah. Little man, just sleeping like an angel. You got to let him sleep, right? He's growing. 5 months old, man. You got to let him sleep as much as possible. Right, Billy? Billy says hello, Amy. Hiya, she goes. Hiya. She's British AF. Hiya, you're right. A little rejection here off of this order block in here. Billy says hi. Hi, Billy. She rolled her eyes at me. I think I could feel, you know when your wife rolls her eyes at you and you can feel it? Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. That's how you know she's a keeper. That's how you know. I might short this order block, man. This is too much pumpy and not enough dumpy. I might short this order block. Am I crazy? Probably. Something like this. Stop loss above this high here. If we mitigate this high, then we're definitely coming. Jeez, this is aggressive. This is a V-shaped recovery, if anything. My God. Does anybody get long off of the bottom here? Did you what the heck did you see at the bottom then to get long off there? That's what I want to know. That's what I want to know. What the heck are you looking at to get long off of this? I need your secrets, man. You're gonna like bull divs on a 1 minute time frame with a continuation pattern to the. Let me know. Does anyone get long off that bottom here? This is up only, man. This is up only. Look at this. Welcome to Bitcoin on the weekends, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with me. I got long because the moment you lost, Elias, that's awesome, bro. At least I gave you the alpha, man. The alpha. Good to see you, Tony Soprano, B Team Crypto in the chat. What's going on, man? Crazy, crazy price action, baby. I might take a short here. If we get some follow through down into here, I might take a short. Toit stop loss. Toit like a tiger. It's holding though, man. It's holding. This is wild, man. This is some strong price action right now. We'll see. No trade as of yet. One loss. Where's our friend Elias here? I ain't got time for that on the weekend, man. You're going on a timeout. You're in a timeout. We're a family channel here. I'm in a good mood, man. I'm hanging out with my family. I decided to come on, hang out with you guys. French Toaster, what's going on, bro? Oh, man. Good to see you. Are you in a short now? No short yet. Just waiting. If we get a rejection here, a little pushback, we can be looking to get short possibly. Nothing yet. I'd like to see retest of VWAP for potential long as well. We'll see. Nice rejection here. So people, FOMOing in at the top right now, coming back to wreck the longs. Right? If we push back into here, somewhere in here, we'll see. Big push back on rising volume, which is pretty intense. Okay? Pretty intense. So decreasing volume, I meant to say. I apologize. Little order block in here, right? Come for that. Looking for continuation here. I look for a retest into VWAP though. That'd be most likely now that we've recovered and things are looking like they want to go back. Very whipsaw kind of price action here though, so no trade yet, just waiting. Bounce continuation here. We were right about this rejection. We should have taken profits, man. That's it. Retest back in, continuation out. Let's get rid of this. Now we're looking here. Mitigation of the high, retrace back down, right? Retrace back down. Okay, if we come up here. 236 people in here. Thank you, everybody, for being in here. On a Saturday, man. I'm not used to streaming on a Saturday. Chris Klein says, this is truly amazing, Alex O Crypto. Thanks for everything you do for us. Like, subscribe, join, support this man. Thank you, Chris Klein. I appreciate you, bro. The best toasters are French toasted. Expelled from the order. As a Canadian, you're going to teach your son the traditional Canadian sport of goose football. Yes. Goose football is it is incredible. Them cobra chickens. Google a cobra chicken. It's a Canadian goose, okay? Those things are so vicious. But yeah, we'll play hockey, we'll play rugby. Okay. We'll play Canadian football. 3 downs. You guys are probably like, this guy. Crazy. I'd rather trade on the 3-minute chart. The 3-minute chart's kind of my bread and butter. 5 minutes a bit slow. Look at this. Fair value gap down below here. Kind of trickery in my opinion. Trickery. Still looking for this thing to come back down to VWAP. I don't think we're... Yeah. Bit overextended here. That's all I got to say is this looks overextended. How's Solana doing? Is it continuing to push? Trump continuing to push. So retest here on Trump. Broken structure though, right? Yeah, you got the structure break here. So you're typically looking for this. Typically. Right? Kind of leading the narrative this weekend, isn't it? Right? Nothing else. Jupiter's off. Double top, bearish divergence. If it mitigates these lows in here, it's rolling over too. V-shaped recovery here on Bitcoin. Looking for it to come back down to VWAP. Possible opportunity down here. If we do come back in here, 1036. Looking at 1036. We'll see if we get it. Could take the short back into it, but it's kind of small. Like, not something I'm... Right now, it looks like it's trapping longs. Okay. Trapping longs, flagging out. Just, yeah, some more down here, I think, for it to come to. It fought for this level, though. That's interesting. Okay, rolling over here. Coming down. Rolling over, rolling over, rolling, 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 rolling. I need Wick 589 to sing me a song. All night long, all night, all night, all night long. Can we bounce from here? Thank you, everybody, for being here. 236 people in here. Wow. I don't expect that on the weekend. You guys are incredible. You guys are incredible. Am I mean for cutting that guy off? I don't know. It's the weekend, man. Ain't nobody got time for this. Michael says, I saw this. What did you see, my friend Michael? BTC coming back down, sweep of the lows coming to the order, block down below, liquidity at the low. Very nice. Yeah, you did. You're on it. You're on it like phonics. I like that, Michael. Good eye, man. But you've broken this momentum to the upside here. So it looks like, yeah, I like your chart, man. That's good. That's good work, Michael. Good work, bro. I do like that. So many people just killing it in the Discord, man. I love it. You guys are awesome. You guys are all awesome. Yep, fighting for this low here, bouncing back up, flagging out. Okay, still looking for it to come mitigate this high. Either you mitigate this high, so remember I always talk about the hot dog, right? So this is the hot dog right now. Either you mitigate this high, you come back down, or you sweep VWAP and you come for the low in here, right? If you're putting in a high right now, you're looking for either a 382 or a 618 bounce from the low to the high here. So VWAP's pretty much coming in just between our 0.5 and 618. So we could be looking for this in here very easily for continuation. If you hold 382, that's pretty aggressive, and I wouldn't want to take that. So, couple options here, right? Trump continuing to push. What's up, wife? No. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. You're gonna say hi to everybody on the Auto Gang. You're gonna say hi. You look beautiful. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah, just come right here. Hello. That's me, wife. Aw. You're so cute. You guys are spoiled. Yeah, sure, that'd be great. That'd be great. That's the wife. I'm spoiled, I know. I don't know what I did. I always ask her, I must have tricked her. I must have tricked her, man. Spot is trading less than futures. Oh, that's pretty wild. Yeah, so the trigger wave, yeah, if we come down here, right? If we roll over Tim, that would be a trigger wave. Yes. You're right. Stalling out right now, decreasing volume, right? So we had that spike in volume, uprising volume, decreasing volume, right? So we've moved down on decreasing volume, and then we've snapped back up, V-shaped recovery. So suggesting strength in here. That's what I would look for. We'll see. We'll see what we get. I'm here. I'm ready. I'm ready, baby. Let's go. I'm ready. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with me. The weekend people get privy to seeing my wife. That's pretty wild, man. You guys are spoiled. Bitcoin dominance back up to 58%. That's wild, man. That is wild. In the opposite direction. So trigger wave on the 3 minute in the opposite direction would be, we would need to push up and then down like this. Okay, what would that look like on price action, right? Or we could push up and do this and get a swing failure pattern in here. That would be bearish. That would bring us down. Trigger wave green dot coming in right now. This looks strong. The only liquidity we really have is up here at 104, 105. Let's call it 105. We could be looking for that, Michael's chart. I think he had this trend line in here. So you can be looking for the retest back into like this momentum in here. I would call this a deviation from this trend line. So you pushed up, you got touches all the way through. You deviated below, but you pushed back in. Okay. So you could be looking for the retest back in here for the short, right? Could be looking for that. 3 drives. You always got to watch for threes when trading. Threes are such informative areas, right? So like even here, we zoom out. Look at where you got the threes on the chart, right? So you got 3 drives, bear divs here, which broke down. And yes, we did long this on the live down here. But you get 3 drives of bearish divergence. You break structure to the downside. You typically are rolling over, right? 3 drives, right? You can look for it on the way up. So you got 3 drives of continuation. So you're probably looking for another continuation pattern here, especially on lows. So you get lows, 3 drives here, right? On highs, 3 drives here. Okay, 3 drives here. always be keeping your eyes out for that. It's because if you get 3 drives, right, you're looking for this one here. That's the one you're looking for. Or if you get 3 drives, you're looking for this one here, right? Lots of money to be made on those, I tell you that much. 3 white soldiers, 3 black plurals, right? Typically 3 white soldiers, breaks up, consolidation, continuation, right? 3 black crows, consolidation, continuation, okay? Threes are important. Look at the push here. Continuation here, coming up for the high. Loving family, all that matters. When I grow up, I want to get myself an Amy too. You will. You will. You guys can have matching clogs. It's still a bull flag lucky deal. What's the best trading platform available in the US and don't need a VPN? I don't live in the US, but non-KYC exchanges, I think that's your only option. I mean, there's BloFin, I think there's KSEX, there's a few of them out there. I'm sure the Americans can answer that for you guys. Father Time, good to see you. No trade here. Do we have any volume coming in now? So no increase in volume. Pretty flat, actually, to be honest. So 15-minute trigger wave popping off here, trying to push. VWAP crossover, so combination, right? So you got VWAP coming up and a trigger wave can possibly push us up higher. Okay. I prefer the 12-minute. Look how much cleaner that is, right? We'll see. So you guys all buy Trump coin or what? Is this a good buy? I don't know. I don't think. I'm sure you can make money on this. I think it's probably done though, isn't it? Jeez. Solana still doing well. Finally, Solana woke up, eh? Holy smokes. Took it a while. Took it plenty of time here. Nice pushback though. If Solana's pushing, we can expect probably a push from Bitcoin. Just in confluence, right? I don't want to assume that, but this looks like continuation to me. They fought for this level. Okay, you can see the fight in here. What do you mean fight, right? What am I talking about? So what tells you there's a fight for this level here? Let's talk about that. Okay. Yeah, I'll be done in like 15 then. She brought me toast. What an angel. Peanut butter on toast. It's real peanut butter with honey. I don't know. One of my go-tos. So the fight back here is very simple. On a 1 minute time frame, what do we have here? We have a bullish engulfing candle. One. Okay, look at that. Bullish engulfing right here. And then we have a hammer candle right here. Okay. That's fighting. They're trying to push price up because they're trying to either build shorts to the upside to send price further back down, or they're trying to continue up and grab liquidity above us, okay? So they're pushing price back into here to either grab the liquidity of this high, the liquidity of this high, or they're building a short on the way up here, building a short, building a short, building a short to send price back down to here for people who got long in here. There's 2 options. Liquidity to the upside, building a short to come back down, send price back down, wreck everybody who got long. Or they're fighting to send price a little bit higher to grab liquidity out of these areas where people got short initially, and they don't want to let them stay in their short, right? Putting balance in the force, right? Suggesting strong continuation. Okay, so You got to be able to read the story, right? I always say price action's king. Look at this, pushing up. Now we're coming for the highs, right? Coming for the highs, quick little sweep. And there's no trade in here. Like, I'm not going to get long here. Where am I going to justify putting a stop loss, right? Like, if I'm looking to trade this, like, my stop at minimum has to go below here, VWAP, and this low here. It's not for me, right? What? And I can target here, target maybe here. Not necessarily worth it. Whereas this short that we took, and yes, we got stopped out of, right? We got in sniper entry. We could be looking to come down to the lows or sweep the lows, right? We could have been looking for this and then back, or the key level we have below us, right? So it could have, and it's trending continuation. So there's justification for certain trades, and then there's good risk management, good decision-making skills for other trades, right? And you're never going to be perfect, but if you've seen it enough times, you're gonna be able to identify it. Because right now we're failing to sweep this high. It wants to go, but it hasn't yet. You see volume coming in, pushing price up here. Okay, it's higher than it was down here. It wants to go, not yet though. Here we go. See, rejection again. That's insane. So obviously prices cooled down since I started live streaming, and don't want to overtrade in anything like this. Do some top down before I leave, just taking a look at Bitcoin and what we're looking for before I get out of here. Go spend some family time. So what we're looking for here, I'll be in the Discord too if you guys need me. What we're looking for here is, this is a gorgeous weekly candle close. Okay, first and foremost, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, we have VWAP coming up right now, so this is going to give us a VWAP crossover going into the inauguration next week. Okay, because we are going to close positively, so we can assume that this next area in here is going to be bullish. So we can assume that this comes up here, this comes up here, this comes up here. Okay, so this is going to look very juicy going into the Trump pump, okay? Unless we absolutely get decimated over the next day all the way back down to here kind of deal. So looking good as long as we close above, 90, I would say 100,000. As long as we close above 100,000, looks really good. Okay, we flip through here. The 3 days got 3 white soldiers. Okay, we just talked about that. 3 white soldiers. That looks great. Green dot trying to print, right? And we get our next candle Sunday. Okay, so this will be interesting to see how this candle actually closes. I would keep a closer eye onto the Sunday 3-day candle close, because if we come down to 100,000, this will look like garbage. All right, if we don't close basically above this high here, this will look like a crappy candle, a very indecisive candle. Okay, so keep your eyes on the 3-day going into tomorrow. Going into our daily, still got lots of room to come up. VWAP's resetting, look like it want to go up. Okay, very nice. 12-hour overextended, putting in an anchor wave right now. So this is a concern. We want to see this continue. And I want to see money flow coming in smoothly. You can see here when we started this run all the way up in here, right? We can see money was just increased all the way through. Right now we've been chopping on money, so I want to see this come straight into a nice smooth uptrend, really. I just want to see continuation here and not giving it back down to the red, okay? We don't want to see it cross over. We want to see continuation, okay? 4-hour, a little bit toppy here on the 4-hour, overextended. We got constant, liquidity below us, so let's be cautious, right? If we're looking for a retest 104.5, 100,400, that's kind of my retest area if we are to roll over from here, something like this, and then go. Okay, not saying we're going to get acceptance back into the value area. If we're looking at the value area and we pull this across from this range, I don't think we get back into acceptance, which would be, closing below 100,000. If we bounce off this 104, 105, value area high and continue, bullish, okay? So it's looking good across the board. Solana is obviously getting a pump, Trump pump, all that good stuff. I'd be cautious out here. Okay, this is not, volume's really died out here. So for me, one little loss here, no worries. We continue to be patient. It is the weekend. Probably go touch some grass, hang out with your family. That is always a good thing to do. Thank you, everybody, for coming through today. You guys are incredible. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new, come over to the Discord. We'd love to see you there. That's enough out of me. It's the weekend, baby. I will see you guys on Monday. You have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. God bless, and I will see you guys then. Monday, 8 a.m. Be there or be square. Trump inauguration, baby. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you can